help of ChatGPT, we've created amazing prompt to generate stunning 3D images. In today's video, we'll take you on a fun and educational journey through the ABC of jobs. This is the best faceless kids channel, bringing you high quality, engaging and educational content. Get ready to explore exciting career in a colorful 3D world. So let's begin. So we're gonna start here on A, and then we copy the prompt. So we copy the prompt, and then we're going to use a Leonardo AI. So this is one of the best image generator. So I'm gonna just come here to paste the prompt. So we are using a Phoenix 1.0, so it's gonna take 24 credit. Remember, you get only 150 credit to use per day. Then if you're done, you can just wait for another 24 hours to get more. Okay, so you come here to generate, and then you wait a bit. So while we're waiting for the Leonardo to generate, you can just go back and then go back to ChatGPT and then copy the second one. So we're gonna delete this one, and then we add the second one, which is the B, and then we click generate. So this is gonna generate even while it hasn't done with the first one. So okay, so here is the first one. Look at the A. Look how beautiful it looks. So you can just choose the one that you love. So you can only just take one. You don't need to take two. So you can just look and decide which one is the best. So I'm gonna just select this one. I love it. It's got those stars on it, so it looks perfect for my video. I'm just gonna come here to download the image. So we've got the B. So look how beautiful the B looks. Oh my god, this is so great, guys. This is so beautiful. Leonardo will produce beautiful images. So all you need to do is to select one. It's only given me two. I don't know, sometimes it gives me one image. I don't know what could be the reason, but this is the result. So I'm not complaining because these two images are the best. So I'm gonna just take the second one. So you just need to repeat the process until you are actually done. You come back to ChatGPT, and then you copy, and then you go back to Leonardo. So these are some of the images. We've got F, we've got E, we've got D. Look how beautiful. They're all great, guys. They are beautiful, all of them. I didn't even know which one to choose, but you can just choose. They are all beautiful, so you can just download them, and then we're gonna need to turn these images into a video. So we're gonna be using a AI called Degen. So this is a free AI tools that we're going to be using. It turns the images into videos, and then it's also for free. Per day you get 210 credit. So you come here to create. You just need to sign up first, and then you're gonna come here to generate, to create, and then you click on this upload, and then we're gonna go and get the image open, and then we're gonna go back to ChatGPT, and then we copy the prompt. So we're gonna go back to our video prompt, and then we add the prompt from the ChatGPT, and then we come here to generate the video. We're gonna need to wait for some few seconds before it generates. So you just need to go back again, and then we take the second one, upload it on the Degen, and then we go to ChatGPT, and then we copy the prompt, and then we're gonna return back. We delete this one, and then we add the second prompt. Then you're gonna need to wait until it give you an option to generate here. So this is still generating, so it's not gonna allow you to generate. So you just need to wait for some few seconds. Result from the one that I've created yesterday. So look how great it is. So we can just come here to you click on these three dots and then you download the video. Okay, now that we are done with creating the videos, so now we need to create the song that will go with our videos. So the website that we'll be using is called Refusion Music AI. So you don't need to pay, and you just need to sign up, and then you bring your lyrics to the AI to create music for you. So ChatGPT has done it again. It has created the music for us. So this is the lyrics for the music that will go exactly with the video. So we're gonna come here to copy the music lyrics, go to the Refusion again, and then we paste our song here, and then you come here to generate. Okay, then you come here to these three dots and then you scroll down until you find download, then comes to and then select MP3. So it's gonna be downloaded into your computer. So now we are going to our final stage, which is editing the video. So you're gonna come here on Canva, then you select the YouTube video. So we're gonna come here to upload, and then we bring everything into Canva. So the first thing to do is to bring the audio, and then you increase the size of the page, just like that. Just increase it like that. Then you come here and listen to the song. A. Then when it say A, then you split the video and split the audio, and then you split the page as well. And then you listen.
A is for astronaut, soaring through space.
Okay, then you also split the end, and then you split also the page. Then you know that this is the space for the A. So you go back to your upload files, and then you look for the A. Then you're gonna put the A on here, and then you make sure that it fits well on this. It fits well with the audio. So since the video it has the watermark, so you need to make sure that the watermark is not showing on your videos. So or else you can use, there's a video that I actually made about removing the watermark, but you can just come here and then bring it, and then make sure that you cut all this watermark and make sure that it's not showing up on your video. So like this is gonna be, it's not gonna appear. So we're gonna just leave it like that, and then we go back and listen to the song. Okay.
B is for baker, with cakes to embrace.
All right. So we're gonna split the page, and then we're gonna also split the audio. And then we know that this space is for the B. And then again, just make sure that you cover the watermark. Since it's too large, then you bring it like that. And then you're gonna need to repeat this process until you are done, are satisfied with your editing. So the video will, at the end, will be like this. And that's a wrap up on our fun journey through the ABC jobs. We hope you enjoyed learning about this exciting career with our colorful 3D world. If you love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more amazing content. Stay tuned for more creative and engaging ideas. See you in the next adventure. Bye for now.
Let's learn the ABCs of jobs today. So many cool things we can do and say. From A to Z, come sing with me. The ABC of jobs is the place to be. E is for engineer, designing so neat. F is for firefighter, who's quick on their feet. G is for gardener, growing things tall. H is for hairdresser, styling us all. Let's learn the ABCs of jobs today. So many cool things we can do and say. From A to Z, come sing with me. The ABC of jobs is the place to be. I is for illustrator, drawing with flair. J is for journalist, stories to share. K is for kin librarian, books you will find. M is for mechanic, fixing the ride. N is for nurse, always by your side. O is for office worker, typing away. P is for pilot, flying every day. The ABCs of jobs today. So many cool things we can do and say. From A to Z, come sing with me. The ABC of jobs is the place to be. Q is for quiz master, questions to say. R is for researcher, learning every day. S is for scientist, solving the clues. T is for teacher, sharing great news. U is for Uber driver, taking you far. V is for veterinarian, who cares for your paw. W is for writer, spinning a tale. X is for X-ray tech, where health prevails. Y is for yoga teacher, peaceful and free. Z is for zookeeper, caring with glee. That's the ABCs of jobs, hooray! Let's chase our dreams, come join the way.